My name's David Kidman, a partner specialising in product liability and recall at Simmons & Simmons London. And I'm here to talk to you today about the product liability aspect of the Big Rock campaign. It's no surprise that respondents found product liability to be a key area of concern. No surprise, because it's been a prevalent area for claims historically for the healthcare and life sciences sector. One of the top 5 challenges that respondents found during the pandemic was public concern around product liability risk. In particular, the rapid design, development and deployment of novel vaccines and medicines used to treat COVID-19, alongside the rapid upscaling with disrupted supply chains for traditional products such as face masks and testing kits. Looking forward, product liability features as the 4th highest growth area for disputes. One respondent succinctly summarised their concern as, "I think the biggest challenge is the uncertainty around the next steps of the Product Liability Directive. That's probably the biggest question now across the board." What do they mean by that? Well, it's expected that the scope of the Product Liability Directive, which imposes strict liability for tangible products, is expected to grow to cover intangible products. And that's a particular issue for the healthcare and life sciences sector, where we're seeing a huge uptake in novel technology such as AI. And for example, we're going to see the strict liability regime probably apply to application of AI and software in areas such as clinical trials, healthcare delivery, monitoring of medical devices and personalised medicines. The European Representative Actions Directive will also make product liability claims more accessible for claimants. So for example, we're going to see a growth, most likely, in cross-border class actions, where the new directive makes it easier for those class actions in multiple jurisdictions to be tied together. We may also see an increase in US-style opt-out class actions, where you have a greater cohort of claimants brought into litigation, whether they knew it or not. And lastly, the ability for qualified entities to bring claims on behalf of claimants. And the final topic I want to cover is insurance. And in our campaign, we saw that respondents saw insurance disputes as the 2nd highest area for an increase. And from experience, I know the difficulties that businesses face, where on the one hand, they are defending claims against large groups of claimants, and on the other hand, they are also having a battle with their insurance company over the scope of cover for those claims. And that really brings home the importance of stress testing your product liability and product recall program before a crisis erupts. Thank you for listening, and if you have any queries about product liability or recall, please do reach out to us. Thank you.